welcome to another episode of Cruising with Doc Speed. Today we're at the History of Transportation show at the Museum of Methuen History in Methuen, Massachusetts, the town where my office is located, and a nice local event. This is the first annual, and it's being run by the Methuen Historical Society and trying to raise awareness for local history, which is important no matter where you live. But so the weather cooperated. It was been really hot and humid all week. Today, the car gods have blessed us with a cool, dry day, and everyone's having a great time. So come along.
Hopefully we'll do it all the time. Hey, buddy. Right there. Yeah, right there. Get over here. Stop. Get over here. Stop. So here's the deal. So pretty much from you go up where he's going, or go right here. I hear you. Where do we put the tickets now?
Inside the gate.
Yes.
This is fun. Right down this door he's headed. Right along this fence, just diagonal. How are you? Beautiful.
Gus.